Alright, so let's see what this wind. So I coded it so that. So I created a code that demonstrates wind resistance, air resistance. And in this one simulation, there is no wind. As you can see, there's a very visible effect on the movement. So it recalculates about 1,000 times per second and recalculates the force of wind. I can show you how this code works real quick, and then we'll get right back to the actual interesting things. So first of all, I have a few properties for the ball and a sphere. So ball and sphere are two different things. Sphere does not have any wind resistance, no air resistance at all. Well, ball does. So for the sphere, it's actually quite simple. There's only one force, and that is gravity. So the velocity, the sphere velocity over here, is just subtracted by 9.8 times dt. That isn't true for position, and then we do a very different thing for the ball with air resistance. So we have the total velocity, and then we can calculate for the actual force of air resistance. This is the magnitude. Then what we do is we calculate it with these. We change the velocity based on the force in whatever direction. I basically did a sine, then arctangent, and then it ended up like this. So that's what I did over there. And then I included the wind. So, for example, if I go to 5, so the ball is 1 kilogram and is 0.1 meters in radius, so 0.2 meters in diameter. And when we run this program, you can see that the green ball is suddenly going faster, and that's because I added wind. Now, when I set this to, let's say, -5, you're going to see a massive difference. So over here, it's going to be way further back. I can even put in -50 into there. Bam. It just goes straight down. It even curves back, which is kind of crazy looking. Then if I put that to 0, change the y to, I'm going to do 10 over here, which may be a little bit too fast. No, it's not. Okay. So if I do like 15, it goes in the air a lot further. In fact, I'm just going to do like 20. Let's see if we can overpower gravity. I'm going to do 30 now. Alright. 50. We'll see how this goes. Wow. Okay. 100. This definitely is going to work. And it does not. 150 meters per second wind. That gets it. That doesn't. And that overpowers gravity. That's pretty interesting. That's about it. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I don't really have a lot of time this week, so I really appreciate you clicking on this video anyways, even though it's not that interesting. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, and goodbye.